Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be taking a look at QWallets, which just received a major upgrade and facelift on Qortal Hub. So let's get right into it. So I'm on my Qortal Hub command center, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to the QApp section. I could do so by exploring all QApps here, and I'm going to open QWallets right over here. I already had the tab open, but now we have two tabs of it open. And yes, we now see this beautiful wallets manager. Shout out to my friend George, who took care of the whole design and reworked it. It looks absolutely gorgeous now. So yes, it is a wallet manager, so not a complex app, but still very useful because most people don't realize this, but when you make an account on Qortal, you actually get access to 7 different wallets right off the bat. So making an account on Qortal, which is obviously non-KYC, non-know your customer, meaning you don't have to give up any personal information, identification or whatsoever, or anything like that whatsoever. Well, that gives you access to 7 different wallets, which you could see up here: QORT, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, DigiByte, Ravencoin, and Pirate Chain. So these are all the wallets, and if I navigate through them all, I'm able to see my wallet for each one and my public address. As you can see here, this is my Litecoin address, Doge, DigiByte, Ravencoin, and Pirate Chain. Which obviously there's going to be some loading times when you're shuffling through your wallets because the connection has to be made to those respective servers. But yes, these are all the coins available on Qortal at the moment, and we're sure going to be adding some in the near future as well. So yes, one of the first things you could do obviously is send some QORT. So if I want to send some to a friend of mine, I could do it by clicking here, a test, and then sending him some QORT like that, 5 QORT for example, and clicking on send. And then you have to obviously accept that the application is going to send some coins on your behalf. I accept. And there you go. Transaction was successful, and I just sent some QORT, and immediately my balance is updated. And once the transaction goes through on the blockchain and is validated, then you'll see it in your recent transactions over here, which you could see here. There's actually a really cool filter. You could filter by rewards, arbitrary transactions, ATs, groups, names, etc. For now, I'm going to go back to just payments, but that's also a really cool feature. You could filter by transaction type on QWallets. And then the other thing I wanted to show you obviously was the address book. So if I want to add a contact, I can do so by clicking here, then clicking add new address, and I'm going to add my friend Phil. And one really cool security feature is you have to validate that person's address before adding them to your address book. You could do so easily by going back to the home page and then clicking over here on the user search. And if I search for Phil, then his name will pop up, and I could validate that his address is exactly what it is. So I see here QBP RF2, and then if I go back, QBP RF2, so that's fine. Address confirmed, and we could save it. And there, now I have 2 contacts in my address book, George and Phil, and I could send them QORT much more easily over here by copying their address, favoriting them. I could edit the contact, etc. So really cool. Now it's asking me to sync. If I click that, I could sync it, and it's going to be able to store my address book for future reference. So now if I refresh the page, there you go, my address book is saved and it's up to date. So that worked properly. So yes, this is QWallets at a glance. Obviously, there's a lot more complexity to it, and we're going to be adding some more coins in the future. Pirate Chain being one of the most private coins right now in the cryptocurrency space. So for privacy lovers, it's a very good opportunity to have Pirate Chain on Qortal and be able to transact using Pirate Chain. I hope you enjoyed today's little demo. If you'd like more, subscribe, share it, comment it, and I'll see you in the next one.